App Store listings aren't just created, they're optimized. And one of the most powerful ways to optimize your metadata is through A/B testing. In this lesson, we'll explore how to A/B test your App Store metadata to increase click-through rates, improve conversions, and make every impression count. Why A/B testing matters. Your app's listing is your storefront. If people aren't tapping, they're not downloading. And if they're not downloading, your organic ranking won't improve, no matter how good your app is. That's why testing is so critical. You're not guessing what works. You're using data to find out exactly what drives action. What can you test? A/B testing lets you compare 2 or more versions of an element in your listing to see which performs best. Here's what you can test. App icon, one of the most influential visual elements. Even small changes in design or color can make a massive impact on CTR. Screenshots. Try different styles, sequences, or messages. Highlight a feature versus a benefit. Try text overlays versus clean visuals. App preview video. Test different thumbnails or entire video concepts. Title and subtitle. Slight wording tweaks can influence whether users engage or scroll past. Short and long descriptions. On Google Play, test different copy approaches and keyword densities. How to A/B test on each platform. Google Play A/B testing. Google Play has built-in A/B testing through store listing experiments in the Google Play console. You can test icons, screenshots, descriptions, and videos. Split your audience randomly. Get statistically significant results. The key here is only test one variable at a time. For example, don't test new icons and new screenshots simultaneously. You won't know which one moved the needle. Apple App Store. Apple doesn't have native A/B testing, but you can work around this by using custom product pages. Create multiple product pages with different metadata. Apple search ads direct traffic to those pages to compare performance. It's not as seamless as Google Play's system, but it's still incredibly valuable when managed strategically. What to measure? For A/B testing to work, you need to measure the right metrics. Tap-through rate. Did users click through to your app page? Conversion rate. Did they install after landing? Engagement and retention. Were these users more valuable over time? Sometimes a version gets more installs but lower retention. Choose based on quality, not just quantity. Best practices. Always test one change at a time. Run tests for at least 7 days or until statistical significance is reached. Don't stop at good enough. Keep testing regularly. Document your learnings and build a metadata playbook. Final thought? In 2025, A/B testing isn't just an optimization trick, it's a mindset. It's how top apps continuously evolve, beat competitors, and refine their message with surgical precision. When you build testing into your ASO routine, you're not guessing, you're growing. Next up, we'll dive into the most common metadata mistakes and how to avoid them before they cost you installs.